You're welcome once again to another exciting video lesson on my page. Alright, if you're seeing this video on TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and follow. Now, we're going to be continuing our series for nursing students and post-UTME students. Now, this is a series of questions where we are going to be breaking down questions in biology and questions chemistry and even physics as well. But now let's look at the questions on the board. Now these questions are biology questions. Now let's break each questions down. Okay, all right. So now look at question 1. It is the diploid number of chromosome in man is the diploid number of chromosome in man is A46, B23, C48, D26. Now if they tell you haploid, the haploid, we are referring to what? 2N. Alright. In the case of man, alright, that's diploid. Okay, diploid is 2N. In the case of man, our N is equal to 23. Now, half of 2N is N. So if we have 2N, we half it, divide by 2. Look at our 2. Therefore, we have what? N. And in the case of man, N is what? 23. So the difference is that haploid is half of diploid and diploid is times 2 of the haploid. So if man has haploid number of chromosomes to be 23, so the diploid multiplied by 2, so 2 times 23 becomes what? 46. So please, you don't have to jump and pick 46 quickly. Always read through the question. The question might be asking you for haploid, not diploid. If the question is asking for haploid, the answer becomes 23. But this question is asking for what? Diploid. So therefore, our answer will be what? 46. So option A becomes our answer. Now the second question. The enzymes of the glycolytic pathway is located in the dash. The enzymes of the glycolytic pathway. Now the glycolytic pathway talks about the pathway of a process called glycolysis. Now I'm going to talk about glycolysis in subsequent video lessons. All right. But now the enzymes of the glycolytic pathway. One thing you need to bear in mind is that glycolysis or the glycolytic pathway, as it occurs in the cytoplasm. So for the fact that glycolysis occur in the cytoplasm, that is the glycolytic pathway occurring in the cytoplasm. Therefore, the enzymes that carry out the process of glycolysis, they are also going to be found in the cytoplasm. So our correct answer is option B. All right, not mitochondria. The answer is what? B, cytoplasm. Then lastly, spermatogenesis and oogenesis are both terms used to describe spermatogenesis and oogenesis are both terms used to describe that. Now, spermatogenesis is the formation of sperm. The process that results in the formation of sperm. All right, spermatogenesis results in the formation of sperm. Oogenesis results in the formation of egg. Now, sperm and egg, both of them are collectively called gametes. Sperms and eggs are collectively called what? Gametes. So, because these are collectively called gametes, now spermatogenesis and oogenesis, that is the process that leads to the formation of sperm and the process that leads to the formation of egg, are both terms used to describe both of them, sperm and egg. They are gametes. So they are terms used to describe what? Gametogenesis. Alright? Gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? The formation of gametes. That is gametogenesis. Alright? So under gametogenesis, to summarize this, under gametogenesis, we have the formation of gamete. Now if we are talking about formation of the male gamete, which is the sperm, it becomes what? Spermatogenesis. And if we are talking about formation of the female gamete, which is the egg, it becomes what? Oogenesis. So thank you very much for watching this video lesson. Please do it to watch again and again so that you understand the concept, and I'll see you in the next video lesson.